Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my day 2 here in Guwahati. Day 2 for the purpose of traveling. So today this is my outfit and we are getting ready to go. Here comes Madhu and Born tying his shoes. Okay, and wait, let me not forget Simran also. Why would I forget her, right? Where is she? Simran? Okay, she's not done with her makeup but because of this camera, I don't know whatsoever. So stay tuned for the whole day trip and let's see what it's gonna be there, okay? Look at the dust, guys. Full of dust. We have to take the Toto. First destination is Frozen Planet. I hope you all guys know. I'll put the photos inside here only so that you can know. First place where we are going today is Frozen Planet. After that, we are planning to go somewhere else. But let's see which is that place. It's so extremely hot here. Look at the weather. We're almost there, guys. For the Frozen Planet. Here it is. On our way of Frozen Planet. This is Frozen Planet, guys. This is Frozen Planet. Okay, we are finally here. So this is Frozen Planet, guys. We are here finally in the destination. Now let's see what's inside. Yeah, this is the building. I mean how does it look? This is the place and look at it, it's so beautiful. Look at the garden, guys. And here's our Toto for today. Yeah. Hey guys, this is the place where you have to take the tickets. Let me show you, come inside. And that's the place where we have to go. That's Frozen Planet. We're gonna go inside and see what's in there. Right now, first of all, tickets. Come. Just look at it.
आगे लोगे मैम 2800 होगा मैम
2800 1800 for the ticket. So I get my payment here. I just need a ticket now. I'm so excited, guys. Super excited. Let's see. We are inside this Frozen Planet, guys. Let us head towards what inside. This is our ticket. Dikhao to penguin red wala. Simran, that is small. Okay, let me change that. Give me that. Let me change. Okay. Where it? Yeah, this is Frozen Planet. नहीं बास्केट में डाल के उन लोग को देना पड़ेगा. Simran, done. You'll feel cold because you don't have that. Oh no, where's your boots? You're gonna feel cold, I'm sure. Just before entering inside, yay! कैसा feel हो रहा है? Excited? Yes. हम लोग ज़्यादा excited हो रहा है, guys. she told us to put our shoes in the basket so that they can keep in a proper place. Since we are wearing these boots, it protects us from the snow or whatever, whatsoever it is. Let's just keep this as a shoes. Guys, I'm super excited to go inside. I look like a red penguin. I know that penguin doesn't exist, but still. Okay, let's go inside and see. So now it's time for us to enter inside. Let's go.
Whoa.
Yeah, okay. So guys, this is the first entrance.
Bắn guitar.
This is Frozen Planet, guys.
Bye.
Guys, wait, this is igloo. Look at this. Feeling cold. Since it's made of ice. Come inside. Aja Simran.
सब आ जाओ.
I'm so short, guys. I could even stand. My height. नहीं तुम नहीं सकते क्या? तुम लंबा है ना? मैं short है. मेरा height के जैसा है. Guys, this igloo is made with my size. Look at it. Just look at it, guys. Super excited. Look at her. She's not coming inside. Okay, चलो बाहर जाते हैं.
We are inside this igloo, what we say. You can see.
Look at the ice thing, guys. I'm frozen. I'm freezing. I'm gonna just stay near you. I'm freezing, guys. I'm freezing. I have to take this here, definitely. To take this in order to see this. So I'm carrying this so that I can sit in here. तुम भी लेके जाओ ऐसा वाला ऊपर में बैठने के लिए वहाँ से नो ये तो just like that. Whoa! So we finally did that. Now it's my turn. So now I'm gonna be getting this just for that. We didn't watch. Christmas vibe. Like seriously, look at them. Wow. कैसा लगा? They're coming running from that place. Let me just show you a side view from my side. It's like this. Then it goes like that. It's like, oh my god, I'm about to fall, guys. It's so beautiful. And my leg again is getting numb and number. I hope I will not get any fever after this. Chalo, chalo.
And with that stunning design plus the versatile face mats and jumpers to match, it made setting the table so effortless and beautiful. Honestly, I'll never go back to regular covers again.
I can't. Guys, we're enjoying a lot. So cool. बहुत ठंड लग रहा है. I'm freezing. Guys, I'm freezing. I can't move my hand properly. Wow. बर्फ से बहुत ठंडा लग रहा है. I'm shivering also, guys. I can't speak well. It's time for me to leave this place now. I have enjoyed a lot. There's so many places. There's so many things that I have done here. Right now, I'm free. So we are leaving, guys. Now, this is the place. And this one. Leaving, guys. We are. Thank goodness, I get the warmness. Feeling relieved, guys. नहीं मैं तो नहीं जाएगा. पेपर.
बहुत मजा आया.
Yes, we have lots of fun, guys. Now we have to end up carrying our food so that we'll get to go inside. It's so cold, guys. We almost freeze.
She don't feel anything.
I can finally feel the warmth after coming from inside. Outside is extremely cold, inside is extremely, cold, hot. That's the thing, situation is going on. Frozen prawn, what I'm saying, yeah, it happens, slip of tongue sometimes. So, as for now, bye bye Frozen Planet. We'll see you until next time. It's the first time and it's good experience. So, I hope next time I'm going to bring more friends along with my family. Okay? So, okay, anyway, whatever. So, chalo. See you to the next spot. We're in the Uber again after coming from Frozen Planet. Right now, we are heading towards Kamakya Temple. Okay? तुम लोग को कैसा लगा वहाँ पे आके? अच्छा लगा. हाँ, अच्छा लगा. फर्स्ट टाइम. अच्छा लगा मतलब अच्छा नहीं लगा पता. अच्छा लगा. अच्छा लगा. हाँ. मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा लेकिन ठंड इतना है ना तो now let's see. One तो ठंड में. हाँ. बेचारा हाफ पैंट भी पहना है ना वो. How do you feel it?
Feel very cold.
Cool. Yeah, of course cold because you are wearing shorts. So
और भी ठंडा कर दिया था ना.
हाँ फिर से वो
स्प्रे कर रहा था ना.
Yes.
हाँ.
ताकि लोग चले जाए क्या बोला इधर.
उसका ठीक है.
हाँ. Okay, so guys, we'll see how is Kamakya gonna look like since it's our first time here. Let's see. Okay, guys, I'm gonna show.
इसलिए बढ़ा दिया था.
See that. Guys, we are here. We are finally here at the location. Right now we have to move so that we can see Kamakya Temple. I think वहाँ से जाना पड़ेगा ना. अच्छा. So we have to move that side for the temple. सब पहन रही तो
प्रसाद नहीं लेगा आपको.
नहीं चाहिए.
लेकिन चप्पल
नहीं. Guys, it's quite confusing, yes?
चप्पल रखना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे रखते हैं.
वो लोग पहनते तो
आगे उतरेगा. आगे उतरेगा चप्पल दुकान में.
अरे बिना चप्पल में कैसे चलूँ?
हाँ ऊपर तक पहन के जा सकते हैं.
जा सकते हैं.
चलो
जाएगा होगा ना.
चप्पल पहन कर ले जाएंगे.
मैदान अंदर नहीं नहीं घुसेगा ना.
अंदर में ही जाना पड़ेगा. मतलब हम लोग ऊपर में जाएगा ना.
कहाँ पे रखे है
ये रखने का जगह है. चप्पल
चलो आगे में होगा ना. नहीं कोई बात नहीं आगे में जाएगा. They told us to keep to take this temple out. I feel I'm so different. I'm so sorry God. This whatsoever. We have to try new thing, right? I'm entering into this Hindu community. I wish you can know me by my face. Okay, now let's just go inside and let's see. हाँ पैसा देना पड़ेगा. इसलिए ये लोग ऐसा कर रहे हैं. अच्छा मतलब for slipper they have to take money. हाँ साथ नहीं चाहिए, कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए. They told us to put the slipper up. मैं कुछ भी नहीं खाएगा. We are here for Kamakiatan.
Kalera sir.
I don't know. Let us just see. Yeah.
Ini video.
Feel. I mean, have a look. Sir, we have to put the slipper here. गायब नहीं होगा? गायब नहीं होगा? गायब नहीं होगा. We have to go without chappal. Putting on a sleeper here inside. Just tell you one thing. My purpose of coming here, this Kamakya Mandir, is not to do any worship or anything. But my purpose of coming here is just see the temple, the entrance. This is how it looks inside. The goat feel free to come with us, human being. Look at him. I mean, her or him, I don't know. Look at this. Licking my fingers. Okay. Abhi kahan jana hai? Yeah, this is how it looks. Look at the goat. Why is he doing that? They are staying here freely and they are so huge. Look at him. Isko to dekho. That's not big. I mean, so long. I've never seen such a goat. Oh, what's wrong with him? What's wrong with him? कैसे कैसे?
ये लाइन में है नॉर्मल लोग जो मतलब सुबह से लाइन लग के इस तरफ आया है.
अच्छा.
और ये है जो पैसा दिया है पर पर्सन 1000.
ओके.
इसलिए ये लोग जल्दी पहुंच जाएगा.
ओके.
और ये सब और अलग है ये मतलब तीनों अलग अलग कुछ है.
ओके, मतलब अलग अलग है. अच्छा. This is the place where they sacrifice goat को. And look at them. They're fighting. People are sitting here like this. So look at the birds. Can I just touch her? भागेगा तो नहीं? Come. Oh, she's flying. She's not allowing him to touch. भाग रहा है वो. What happened to them?
पानी है.
Look at this tiny mini monkey. Bro, the monkeys are roaming around freely. Let me just see that. Wow. पुखरी मतलब किस लेक? Lake. Whenever you come here, you can see like the. Okay, ये तालाब जैसा है. यहाँ पे क्या गिले?
ये फिर नहाते हैं.
नहाता है? Okay. They used to come and take bath here as per their advice. I mean, as per their knowledge.
शांति है ना.
He's eating, chewing, or whatever he's doing. I don't know. Okay, let's just go and skip this place. देखो अटैक करेगा. मम्मी. Me. Look at the monkey. Guys. Just look at that monkey. Wow. We will go. They said that there's turtle inside. So let's go witness it with our eyes. That just sucks. ये अंदर बैठा है. Okay. Guys, first of all, I was expecting to be something huge, like big temple, but my expectation just went down. Let's just go inside and see more. अच्छा, हमें क्या टेंपल मतलब बड़ा टेंपल. ओके, नीचे तक जाना है क्या? हाँ. तो जाएंगे नीचे तक. और भी नीचे है.
हाँ.
चप्पल. We have come to another spot of this Kamakiatan.
ये छोटा
Here you
है.
can see like there are lots of fishes and even the turtle. Come closer, I'll show you. मैंने सोचा
डक. ये लोग को से मत लड़ाई करनी है, नहीं तो उनको
अच्छा ये कुछ नहीं लाया।
हाँ, तो तुम जा सकते हो ऐसा बोल
I'm so sorry। कौन कहाँ से मैं तो
ये फैमिली ना।
So this is all। जैसा एक्सपेक्ट किया वैसा नहीं है to be honest।
हाँ, बहुत सारे रहना चाहिए था।
So guys, there's a tortoise named Mohan and Sohan। Both of them are siblings। कहाँ है?
आया
कहाँ है? Where? So there's a tortoise named Mohan। कहाँ है? Mohan। To call his।
आपका माथा भी छोटा रहेगा, उसका माथा बहुत बड़ा है।
Oh my God। इतना? तो मुझे देखना है।
जब
So I'm expecting for that Mohan to come, the big tortoise, but
मोहन आ ही नहीं रहा है।
he's not coming।
वो कितने आदमी बुलाते हैं, आवाज मारते हैं, फिर भी नहीं आता है।
वो किसका बात मानते हैं?
वो सबको ही मानता है, पर आवाज उसके समय पता नहीं सो रहा है क्या हो रहा है।
Look at them। I just feel so pity for them।
हमारे खाने को मांग रहे हैं।
I'm hungry। कैसे पानी में?
A few moments later.
वही तो ये बहुत ज्यादा है। तुमको बोल रहा है दो बोल के।
ठीक है, दे दूंगी बाबू। ओके
कितना बार बोले, पूरा पप्पी के जैसे लग रहा है ना। पप्पी लोग भी ऐसे ही करते हैं हाथ से।
just look at it। खेल रहे हैं।
भागा भागा भागा।
नहीं, डर लगता है।
नहीं काटता नहीं
वो
है ये
फिश एनाकोंडा जैसा है। आता है। अभी रो, बाय बाय। चलो। नहीं खाता है तो ना, क्या करें? Just done my tour inside the Kamakhya temple। I have nothing to say। Yeah, I have nothing to say। But assuming we should, explore things. Since I came here to explore, I already explored it। I have no comments on that। But it's really headache for me climbing those stairs, going down to see the tortoise। It was quite fun though। Okay, but let us go now। We're heading towards that electric bus। Now we will go park। Like they told us, we'll go park inside this electric bus। Inside the bus, come। We are inside this AC bus in Guwahati।